Hello guys, good afternoon. Ito, naglalakad na naman ako papunta sa aking trabaho. O, ito yung ano na, o, yung malagong mga trees nung nakaraang buwan. Ito na sila ngayon, wala nang dahon. So, malapit sa lake. Ito yung site ng trabaho kong isa. Sa lake naman tayo ngayon. Pupunta. Naglalakad. So, ang lamig. Ang lamig, guys. So, ang ganda, oh. Yung mga trees namin. Wala na. Parang sa ano ito, yung Montreal, sa Montreal. Yung scenery niya, kaya malamig dito kasi malapit sa lake shore. Tignan mo naman, oh, kaya lamig-lamig. Today is Tuesday. Anong oras na? It's about 4 something, 4:15 o 4:10. Hindi ko makita kasi. Ayun, ang ganda. Ganda ng view, lake. Tapos yan. Yan, yung scenery niya yun. O yan, ganda. Ganda na yung views kahit wala na yung mga trees. Yung mga dahon ng trees, oh. Yan na ang ano niya. Ngayon. Yan. Ang ganda. Dito ako sa lake. Isa malapit sa trabaho kong isa. Punta tayo sa sinasabi nilang ano, Little White Sand Beach, tinatawag na Sugar Canada Beach. Punta ako doon, pakita ko. Minsan dami nag-babe sa sunbathing. Yeah. So tignan mo naman, ang ganda, oh. Kahit wala ng dahon yung mga trees. Yung mga trees dito, pag may dahon yan, ang ganda. Dito sa likod ng ano, ng building na pinagtatrabuhan ko, dito sa downtown. Sa downtown to, guys. Itong building na to ay ng media. Diyan naman ako nagtatrabaho ng gabi. Yeah. Mga TV station. Bukas kayo dyan sa likod. Puntahan natin yung ano, maliit na white sand. Tinatawag na Canada Sugar Beach. Yan. Lake kasi ito, eh. Yan, oh, lake. Malapit kami sa lake, guys. Ganda, diba? Scenery. May pulis, oh. May police car. Ayan, oh, police. Ano kaya? May hinuli na naman kaya sila dito? Diyos mio. Baka may hinuhuli. Kung may nag-ano dito sa ano, sa Canada Sugar Beach. Kasi may mga pasaway. Yan, o, nagja-jogging. Nag-exercise. Ito Yung sinasabi ko, ano, the little white sand beach. Pero ang tawag nila dito, Canada Sugar Beach, dahil ang katabi nito ay paggawaan ng sugar cane, pure sugar cane, red fat. Pakita ko yung ano, yan yung malaking ano yan na parang container, pero hindi container, paggawaan ng sugar. Ayan o, tututok ko. Malapit lang dito yung paggawaan ng sugar. Yan, ganda ng view. Ito yung pinagtatrabahan ko yan, Chorus guys building. That is a Chorus Entertainment. Yan. Tapos may maliit na parang beach, pero hindi siya beach, hindi po siya beach, ano lang yan. Maganda dito yung site. May small mountain, may mountain rock siya na liliit. Ayan, ganda. Likod, ayan o, yan yung The Edge, yung radio station dito lang sa likod dyan. Ayan, yan o yung tinatawag na Canada Sugar Beach. Dito sa likod to may maliit din na ano ginaya doon. Ayan yung paggawaan ng sugar. Ayun yung Canada Sugar Beach. Ayan, yan na, yan Canada Sugar Beach guys. Pure cane sugar, paggawaan ng sugar yan. Yeah. So dami. Yan, ganda. Yan. Ito yung likod ng ano namin, building. So dito naman ako sa harap ngayon. Dadaan. Sa likod kasi ako dumaan eh. Doon ako papasok. Sa harap ng building namin. Yan. Ito yung tinatawag nila Canada Sugar Beach. Yun. May ano to. Dati wala yan, ginagawa pa lang. Ito yung bagong building. Sa harap namin dati. Maluwag yan, wala. Ngayon, matapos na. Malapit nang matapos. Kaya, very crowded na dito. Yun. Papasok na ako sa aming building. So dito ako sa harap ng building namin. Doon ako dadaan. Dito laging ano, may mga nagsushooting sa loob ng ano namin. Yun. Tapos yan, papasok na ako dito. Kaya lamig. Dami na kasama. Ayan o, sabi niya, please wear a mask in all common areas. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka nakamas dito. Napapasok. Ate! So, welcome to Chorus. Hello! No, I'm not your boss. Okay, can I get my key, please? Thank you so much. Number 1.
I know, I wanted to give you. Ophelia is here, she's been waiting for you.
Okay, can I get Ophelia get the key?
I'm gonna give you Ophelia's key.
Okay, thank you so much.
I'm gonna give you because I asked her if she wanted it.
Yeah, but later on we can. Okay.
Later on you can take a
Yes. Thank you. Can you get my temperature or no?
What do you want?
My temperature.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's low.
Low?
Low.
Okay.
Yeah. Just wait.
Thank you so much.
It's low.
Low?
Wait.
Okay.
It's low. Wait.
I'm walking.
Sorry. Yeah, 36.4.
Okay. Thank you so much. Because I'm walking and walking. It's cold. You come there in the other area, please. Okay. Okay. You want food? Meatball with.
Meatball?
Yeah. You want meatball? Okay.
Thank you, boss.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. You want salad? You want salad?
Salad?
Yeah.
Oh, what's salad?
But I forgot to get the dipping. A fresh salad. Vegetable. You want?
Oh, vegetable salad.
Oh, but there's no dipping. I forgot. You can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get that.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Walang ano?
Awa. Nialaman natin. Come on, guys. Come here. Come here. This is the area where I walk inside. That I work, guys. Yes, my other co-workers is waiting for me. Yes. So they call me boss, but I'm not the boss. Hello. You're waiting? Waiting? Ay, naku. I bring food. Food. Your key is here, madam.
I didn't get my
They give me your key.
Oh, thank you.
So I take it.
Ito, palitis. Ito, akin yung ano mo.
Here. Your key is here.
Palit mo. Yeah.
You can sit down, madam.
Sit down, Madam Susana. What are you doing?
Yeah.
You were, I'm trying to put the hair to kawit it.
Kawit.
Pero ano pala ano ko,
I'm vlogging. I'm doing vlogging.
ano pa pala, ha?
I'm vlogging. Say hello.
Hi! Who are you there?
Say hello. This is.
Hello! I'm playing.
They are playing. My co-workers.
Oh, okay.
Hello. Here, I'm doing something. I said I'm vlogging. And now, yeah, this is the and now close the Grain Tavern Urban. Sing ganda naman na yan. Yan. So,
Hello! Hello, Tess! Where are you? Come
I'm
here!
fine.
Come here!
Hold.
Oh.
Going. Say hello. Hello, it's me, Tekla. I'm doing. Nandito na naman ako. I'm here in my other
Job.
job. So
Who is that?
I'm vlogging in my. You can see my vlog in my new channel, Tess FLM Canada. You subscribe, ate.
Huh?
Do go and watch my upload there when you are watching. Whitey, hello and good luck. Thank you so much. Have a nice good day. I love you all, guys. Bye.
Bye!